In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data in Zoho Books. First, open Zoho Books and head to the section you want to import data into using the left sidebar. Choose the exact module that matches your file. Items if you are bringing in products or services. Customers for your client list. Or invoices for billing records. Picking the correct module upfront ensures Zoho Books knows what kind of fields to expect and keeps your import targeted to the right place. Next, look to the top right of that module's page for the More icon, the three dots. Click it, then select Import, which will be labeled with the module name you are in, such as Import Items or Import Customers. This menu option is your gateway into Zoho's guided import workflow, which will walk you through file selection, field mapping, and a final review. When prompted, upload your file. Zoho Books supports CSV, TSV, and XLS formats. Choose the version you've prepared and set the character encoding. In many cases, UTF-8 is the best choice, especially if your data includes special characters or symbols. If you notice odd characters in names or addresses during preview, try a different encoding until everything looks correct. You'll now map your file's columns to Zoho Books fields. This step tells Zoho exactly where each piece of data belongs. Use the drop-downs to match your headers like customer name, email, or item rate to the corresponding fields in Zoho. Pay special attention to required fields, which are clearly marked, and make sure every required value is matched. If a column in your file isn't needed, you can leave it unmapped so it won't import. Also, verify formats. Dates should align with Zoho's accepted patterns, and numeric fields like quantity or rate should be clean of currency symbols. Before finalizing, review the preview screen carefully. Confirm that sample rows look correct. Spot check a few important records, and scan for duplicate indicators or warnings. When everything lines up, proceed with the import after it completes. Return to the module to confirm that your records appear as expected. If Zoho provides an error report, use it to fix any issues in your file and re-import using the same steps. That's it. Thanks for watching.